And there you have it, that's the wagamama dressing. I know everyone's been asking about the wagamama dressing, so I thought I'd make some. So come on quick, have a quick look. In the bowl, I've got 1 clove of garlic, I've got a little nub of ginger, about 2.5 centimetres worth of ginger all chopped up finely, and 2 large shallots, or 2 shallots that are chopped up finely for the dressing, plus the 100 ml of oil, and I've used olive oil. So to that, we're going to add our rice wine vinegar. I quite like the acidity in this, so I'm going to put a little bit more, but it's about 1.5 tablespoons. I've got 1.5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup in there, so that's all going to go in as well. Last but not least, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of soy. And a little bit more, because I do like soy sauce. So we can gently just stir that around. And you can see the colour starting to change, but what I'm going to do to help it emulsify, I'm going to use a hand blender. So there's our dressing. Now if it's a little bit thick, you can let it down with a little bit of warm water just to thin it down. And as you can see, it's not totally blended, that all these shallots have gone or the gingers and garlics have disappeared. Still got some lumps in there, needs some nice texture. And there you have it, that's the wagamama dressing. Try it. Absolutely superb. Good luck, enjoy it.